Hello everyone, take a circular sheet and then fold it into half. Now take another circular sheet and then draw it as shown in the video and then attach the strings and the eyes and then make the cute little smiley face. It's done. For the next one, take a walnut and then open it nicely. Now take a shell of it and then start coloring it with the help of a red color and then start making the lines all over it with the help of a black color. Now make a cute little bug out of it. It's done. For the next one, take a sheet of a given size and then paste it as it will look like this. Now paste it all together as it will start looking like this, and then take another sheet of a given size, roll it and paste it. Now start making the cute little bunny face out of it and it's done. Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take a sheet of a given size and fold it as shown in the video. Now turn it over and then start folding the edges out of it. Now again fold it as shown in the video. Now open it nicely and then do the process as it is shown in the video. Repeat the process very nicely and gently and then start folding the edges out of it as shown in the video. Now keep folding it as it will look like this. Now fold it all together and then bring it all together and then attach it from the middle. Now take the upper part and make the edges out of it very nicely and gently and it's done. For the next one, take a sheet of a given size and cut it out nicely. Now take the each section and roll it very nicely and gently and then repeat the process with all. It will look like this. Now take another sheet and make a straw out of it and then start pasting the sheet as shown in the video as it will start looking like this. Paste it very nicely and gently. Now take another sheet and then fold it very nicely and make a leaf shape like structure out of it. Now paste the leaves as it will look like this on the stick and then it's all done. It is cute though, right? For this one, take a paper cup and cut the border out of it. Now start making the small cuts all over the cup as shown in the video. Open it and then roll each string as shown. It will look like this. Now take a sheet and then start making a stick out of it and then the cute little leaves and then make the lines out of the leaves and then attach it and then attach the leaves and it's all done. For the next one, take a sheet and start making the curvy lines with the help of a black marker. Then make the leaves with the help of a green marker. Now start pasting the sheet as shown in the video and then make the cute little eyes out of it. Now with the help of a yellow colored sheet, start making the small ducklings all over the sheet as shown in the video and then make the cute little grasses all over it and then it's done. For the next one, take the ice cream sticks and make a hole. Now take a string and attach it all together with the help of a string and then attach it very nicely and gently. Now take a sheet and make the cutout of it as shown in the video. Now paste it on the sheet and make a cutout in the form of a semicircular way. Now paste the borders out of it, bring it all together and it's done. Thanks for watching.